Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today we'll talk about how old is your iPhone. If you want to know how old is your iPhone, at first go to settings, then go straight to general, about, and here you have to search for the model name. The iPhone 16 is from 2024, iPhone 17 is from 2025, iPhone 15 is from 2023, iPhone 14 is from 2022, iPhone 13 is from 2021, iPhone 12 is 2020, iPhone 11 is 2019, iPhone XR and XS is from 2018, iPhone X and 8 is from 2017, iPhone 7 is from 2016, iPhone 6s is from 2015, and I think that you don't have older phone, so yes, it goes so on. But this is the only theoretical thing. But you can check the first use of your phone, of your battery actually, in the phone itself. Go to battery here and tap on this battery health and charging. Here in the newer phones, for example like 16 or 15, you will see the first use of your battery. Here we don't see it actually, but don't worry. Here on the newer phones you will see it. And apart from that, you can go back to general, back to about, tap on the serial number to copy it, and go to the Apple's coverage website. So here you go to the internet and type Apple coverage, not like Apple, Apple coverage, here like this. Now scroll down, all, check coverage, Apple.com. Here now you can leave it like here, select your region. My region is Poland, so I will select Poland here. Wait a moment. Let's leave it like here. And now we have to here enter our serial number. Now we have to send this serial number straight here. And as you can see, this is our date of bought, which is the 25th of January 2023. So we have bought this phone when the iPhone 15 was released, and here you can see that the warranty expired a year ago in January. And yeah, that's your phone's birthday like itself. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like under this video. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.